Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Before the mango season ends, I have a couple of mango recipes, so I thought I'll just share them one by one. So today is a basic yet very popular and yummy combination. I'm sure there are a lot of mango lovers and puri lovers, right? But when these both are combined, they are like match made in heaven. Yes, I'm talking about Aamras Puri. Aamras Puri can be had for breakfast, as a quick and simple dessert after meals, or even as a snack. So let's get started. Firstly, let's make the Aamras or mango pulp. You can use two varieties of mangoes, the juicy ones or the hard ones. Whichever you're using, make sure they are very sweet. That's very important. In case you're using the juicy variety of mangoes, press the mango using both your thumbs into the soft flesh until it gets mushy. Rip off the tip and squeeze out the mango pulp using your hand. Now discard the seed. You can strain the pulp through a muslin cloth or just use a hand blender to beat, or just use it right away, depending on whatever consistency you're looking for. I'm sure many people can relate to this. Aren't you feeling nostalgic with this? These are the mangoes from last year. I could not get hold of such a variety of mango this year, so I'm using this hard variety of mango today. So if you're using hard variety of ripe mango like what I'm using today, peel the mango, cut into pieces and discard the seed. Add the mango pieces to a blender and blend to a smooth paste. You can also add some milk or water to dilute it, but do not make it too runny. Add in some sugar depending on the sweetness of your mango. And now you have a couple of ways to flavor this Aamras. You can add any one of these flavoring agents. The first one would be dry ginger powder, also known as Sonth. You can add in some saffron, then you get Kesar Aamras, or you can just add in some cardamom powder. So today I am adding saffron. And now blend everything into a smooth and thick mixture. Transfer Aamras into a serving bowl and serve with puri, roti or fulka. Sometimes a little ghee is added to Aamras, as the mango pulp is said to increase the body temperature, and Ayurveda believes that ghee helps to counter this effect. You can also refrigerate it in an airtight container for about a week, or you can also freeze it in serving portions and enjoy throughout the year. You don't need to wait for the mango season. You can have mango pulp whenever you want throughout the year. So now it's time to make the puris. Mix the flour and salt in a bowl, add water gradually and knead to a firm dough. And now I have a secret tip for you. The next time you make puri dough, try to add a teaspoon of sugar while making the dough. This will give you that lovely golden brown color to the puri when deep frying. Make sure the dough is firm and not very soft, otherwise it will absorb a lot of oil. Make small round balls of the dough. Dust some flour and roll out each ball to even discs. The puris are usually made smaller than chapatis and a little thicker so that they can puff up. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot enough, add each puri and deep fry until they puff up and turn golden brown. Initially, the puri will settle at the bottom and then come up and float. And here comes the trick. Now gently press on one side with a frying ladle. This will help the puri to puff up. Flip the puri and cook on the other side until golden brown. Remove the puri onto a tissue paper. Repeat the process and make all the puris. Ensure that the oil is not too hot, otherwise the puri browns quickly, and if it's not hot enough, then the puris absorb more oil. So make sure that the oil is at right temperature while adding the puris. And that's it, you have your puris and Aamras ready. Now combine and enjoy them. Now I know what the savory lovers are thinking. You love puri bhaji, right? If you don't like the sweet combination with puri, have it with regular bhaji or potato masala, which I will link it above, and enjoy your puri bhaji. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me, Padma, signing off.